Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Once Gary Gygax has said, games give you a chance to excel, and if you are playing in good company, you don't even mind if you lose because you have the enjoyment of the company during the course of the game. The words are very beautiful, spoken by the speaker, Mr. Gary. Our today's lesson is also based on games and sports. It is about cricket. In this chapter, we will know about the sport of cricket or game of cricket and what is its origin and how cricket was played in ancient time and how the game has been developed and in which countries it was played in the beginning. So it's a very big chapter, but you will know a lot of things if you give the reading of it. Although there are nothing much to explain in this chapter because by reading only you will know the chapter. So it has been told that since cricket is a stick and ball game, it was played in England 500 years ago. The word bat is an old English word that simply means stick or club. By the 17th century, cricket has evolved enough to be recognizable as a distinct game. Till the middle, earlier it was, students, earlier the cricket bat was shaped as hockey sticks, curving outwards at the bottom. The reason was that the ball was bowled underarm along the ground and the curve of the end of the bat gave the batsman the best chance of making contact. And there were many peculiarities of the game. There was that a test match can go on for 5 days and still end in a draw. No other modern team sport takes even half as much time to complete. A football match is generally over in an hour and a half. Even baseball completes 9 innings in less than half the time that it takes to play a limited overs match. The shortened version of modern cricket. Another curious characteristic of cricket is that the length of the pitch is specified 22 yards. But the size or the shape of the ground is not. Like size or the shape could be anything of a cricket while playing cricket. Only the length of the pitch should be 22 yards. Whereas in other sports, the measurement is fixed wherever it is played. Grounds can be oval like Adelaide Oval or nearly circular in sports like hockey and football. Like Chepauk in Chennai, 6 in the Melbourne cricket ground needs to clear much more ground than it does in Firozshah Kotla in Delhi. You know all these stadiums names. Here cricket pitch or cricket ground is has been compared to hockey or football grounds. There's a historical reason behind both these oddities. Cricket was the earliest modern team sport to be codified. The first written laws of cricket was drawn up in 1744. They stated the principals shall choose from amongst the gentlemen present 2 umpires who shall absolutely decide all disputes. Cricket, you might have heard that cricket is called the gentleman's sport, but nowadays a lot of match fixing and many other drawbacks, other than match fixing, many other drawbacks have also occurred in cricket. So it has become no more gentleman's sport. Rather, it has become a money making sport as IPLs are played. World's first cricket club was formed in Hambledon in 1760s and the Marylebone Cricket Club, that is MCC, was founded in 1787. During the 70s, 60s and 1770s, it became common to pitch the ball through the air rather than roll it along the ground. Earlier it was played like that by rolling it on the ground. At our time, students, when I was small, that time program used to come in national television named body line. You will ask your parents, they will tell you. In that, it was shown that how the bowlers used to hit the batsman anywhere in their body, and they get hurt, and by that the opposite party used to win the match. So rules and regulations were not followed very strictly at that time. Here again it says a change gave bowlers the options of length, deception through the air, plus increased pace. It also opened new possibilities for spin and swing, spin bowling, swing bowling. You all know boys will enjoy this chapter a lot rather than girls. In response, batsmen had to master timing and shot selection. One immediate result was the replacement of the curved bat and the straight one with the straight one. Now the straight bat has come. The weight of the ball was limited to between 5.5 to 3.5 ounces, and width of the bat to 4 inches. You can say 5.5 and 5 and 3/4. In 1774, the first leg before law was, leg before wicket, LBW law was published. Also around this time, a third stump became common. By 1780s, 3 days had become the length of a major match, and this year also saw the creation of the first 6-seam cricket ball. So by that, the cricket was developing like that, and a lot of changes have come in the sport of cricket. If you look at the game's equipments, you can see how cricket both changed with changing times and yet fundamentally remained true to its origin in rural England. Cricket's most important tools are made of natural pre-industrial materials. The bat is made with leather, twine and cork. Even today, both bat and ball are handmade, not industrially manufactured. The material of the bat changed slightly over time. Once it was cut out of a single piece of wood, now it consists of two pieces. The blade, which is made out of the wood of the willow tree, and handle, which is made out of cane, and became available as European colonialist and trading companies established themselves in Asia. Unlike golf and tennis, cricket has refused to remake the tools and industrial or man-made materials. Plastic, fiberglass and metal have been firmly rejected. So this rule has been strictly followed, that this bat and ball will be made handmade, with handmade things, not industrial things. So it has not been changed much along with time. So in other sports the tools have been changed, but in cricket it remained the same. But in the matter of protective equipment, cricket has been influenced by technological change. The invention of vulcanized rubber led to the introduction of pads in 1848 and protective gloves soon afterwards, and the modern game would be unimaginable without helmets made of metal and synthetic lightweight materials. Helmets are made of lightweight materials, and by time when the development has been done in the game of cricket, then gloves, pads, all these protective tools or things have been implemented in the game of cricket. The origin of Indian cricket are to be found in Bombay, and first Indian community to start playing the game was the small community of Zoroastrians, the Parsis. Brought into close contact with the British because of their interest in trade and the first Indian community to westernize, the Parsis founded the first Indian cricket club. So you should know this, the Parsis were the founders of the game of cricket, and they have also developed a cricket club, the Oriental Cricket Club in Bombay in 1848. Parsi clubs were founded and sponsored by Parsi businessmen like the Tatas and the Wadias. So these all were Parsis. So they have been these Parsi clubs were sponsored by them. So they got a lot of money by these businessmen they were settled at that time. The white cricket elite in India offered no help to the enthusiastic Parsis. In fact, there was a quarrel between Bombay Gymkhana, uh, a whites only club, and Parsi cricketers over the use of a public mark. The Parsis complained that the park was left unlit for cricket because the polo ponies of the Bombay Gymkhana dug up the surface. When it became clear that the colonial authorities were prejudiced in favor of their white uh, compatriots, the Parsis built their own Gymkhana to play cricket in. The rivalry between the Parsis and the Bombay Gymkhana had a happy ending for those pioneers of Indian cricket. A Parsi team beat the Bombay Gymkhana in cricket in 1889, just 4 years after the foundation of the Indian National Congress in 1885, an organization that was lucky to have amongst its early leaders the great Parsi statesman and intellectual Dadabhai Naroji. So they had struggled a lot at that time. Things were not so easy, but Parsis have done a lot for cricket. Modern cricket is dominated by tests and one day internationals played between national teams. The players who become famous, who live on in the memories of cricket's public, are those who have played for their country. The players Indian fans remember even now are those who were fortunate enough to play test cricket. CK Naidu, an outstanding Indian batsman of his time, lives on in the popular imagination when some of his great contemporaries like Palwankar Vittal and Palwankar Balu have been forgotten. Even though Naidu was past his cricketing prime when he played for India in its first test matches against England starting in 1932. His place in India's cricket history is assured because he was the country's first test captain. So we should know these things, dear students, that who were the people who have struggled a lot to bring this game so popular and in today's time. And at that time the things were not so easy, and they did not have the tools and the things so easily. They have never got anything, even bats, ball, all the apparatus, you could say, that those were not so comfortably achieved at that time. India entered the world of Test cricket in 1932, a decade and a half before it became an independent nation. This was possible because Test cricket, from its origins in 1877, was organized as a contest between different parts of the British Empire, not sovereign nations. The first test was played between England and Australia when Australia was still a white settler colony. Similarly, the small countries of the uh, Caribbean that together make up the West Indies team were British colonies till well after the Second World War. Television coverage changed cricket. It expanded the audience for the game by becoming cricket into small towns and villages. It also broadened cricket's social base. Children who had never previously had the chance to watch international cricket because they lived outside the big cities could now watch and learn by imitating their heroes. So when cricket was shown in television, that time the cricket has got its real existence. People have started madly liking the game sport of cricket, and it has come to the reach of every common man. The children generally, at present also you could see that many children are going for cricket coaching, and they love to play cricket, and they follow their heroes, their favorite cricketers, whom they see. And how do we see? Everybody can't get the chance to go to stadiums and see there. Rather, we enjoy seeing them in television only, and people used to take even leave from their offices to see the matches, and they give their full time. The whole family sits together and watch cricket matches. This is the sport where all kind of people used to sit together and see the matches, whether males, females, children, old people, everybody. This is the game for all. Everybody likes this game. So they when cricket was started when cricket was shown in the television, children children started watching and learning by copying their heroes, because though in the beginning coaching cricket coaching was not there, so children used to see their favorite players in the television and start copying them. The technology of satellite television and the worldwide reach of multinational television companies created a global market for cricket. Matches in Sydney could now be watched live in Surat. Since India had the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nations and the largest market in the cricketing world, the game's center of gravity shifted to South Asia. This shift was symbolized by shifting of the ICC headquarters from London to tax-free Dubai. So, see, by reading these things, we have come to know many such things which we were not knowing earlier. So, with the development of technology and of satellites, now are able to see the matches live, the live telecast of the matches wherever in the world the sport is played. 150 years ago, the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, had to struggle to find an open space to play in. Today, the global marketplace had made Indian players the best paid, most famous cricketers in the game, men for whom the world is a stage. This transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of gentlemanly matter by the paid professional, the triumph of one day game as it overshadowed Test cricket in terms of popularity, and the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. It is said here, the world is a stage. This kind of statement was given by Shakespeare also. That world is a stage and we all are performers. So here the cricketers have started performing, and especially our Indian cricketers have become most famous players in the world, and they are highly paid players. They are earning a lot of money. So by with the struggle of Parsis and many more development occurred in this sport, has brought cricket to the top of the world, and we all are growing liking for this sport uh, more and more, and it will be in the coming days even more. So, dear students, this was the chapter. When while I was reading, I have also learnt many such things which I was not knowing about this sport. So I would, this is my suggestion to you, that please give reading. When someone reads for you, the person only understands it. When you will give a reading, no, you will understand many such things. Although boys play cricket, they know the rules and regulations, everything, and they play for their recreation. But it is also necessary that the sport which we like a lot, which is our favorite sport, we should know everything about it. We should know the origin of it. We should know that how much it has been developed from ancient time to modern time. So I hope you will give a reading of it whenever you are free. Uh, if you'll read this chapter properly, you need not learn the question answers. You will understand the question answers by your own only. On page number, I'll be sending you the PDF of all the answers. Uh, but word meanings given by the side of the pages of this chapter, kindly write them by your own by seeing them from the book. And page number 143, it is comprehension check. These answers I'll send through PDF. Then we have on page number 146, these answers you will do in book itself. This also I will send you. And then again we have on page number 148, here the objective ones you will do in book itself, which I'll send you through PDF. And there are almost 10 questions here. This also I will send you the answers. Kindly follow the PDF and write the answers. Only 10th one you will write by your own. This here you have to write your views. Then one puzzle is also there. Okay, that has been solved for you. So you will see from the PDF and you will do in your book. Then we have some exercises. Add ly to the italicized words in each sentence. Rewrite the sentences using the new word. So here it has been given in a proper way it is properly, in a firm manner it is firmly, in an easy way it is easily, then we have in a serious manner seriously, in a cheerful manner cheerfully. Okay, so here again we have an exercise. Use the following phrases appropriately in the place of italicized words in the sentences given below. At the place of without playing, you'll use by accident. So how will the sentence be? Actually, I didn't intend to come to your place. I reached here by accident. At the place of without playing. In the second one also will at the place of also it will be as well. Third one at the place of the truth as a matter of fact. Fourth one at the place of to make sure, see to it. Fifth one, it will be better for us, we had better. Here you take two also. Okay, then we have to do this one. This you can do in book also. Complete each of the following words using GH, double F, single F. So it has been given: effort, fact, confess, laughing, enough, half, scruff, rough, stiffy, difference, safety, and flush. Okay, all the things, all the exercises I have solved for you. So I'll send all the PDF. So those which are written in book you will write in book, and which I'll send the PDF with the question answers I have prepared for you, that you will write in copy. Okay students, going to wind up. I hope you will go through this chapter yourself also. Lot of question answers and exercises are there. Kindly take them seriously, write them in book and copy, and learn it also. Going to wind up today. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.